Video.
It's okay,
Here we
let's
go.
go. They
Hi,
like
Nikki.
you, who you are.
Ano naman masasabi mo na tapos na ang SEM natin?
2 weeks pa tayo.
Ay, hindi pala SEM, yung linggo health talaga.
Hindi pa tayo next week may health week dahil may dalawang exams next week. At basahan ng mga DevCom 50, proposal, DevCom 50 na. Yan.
Ano namang mensahe mo para sa mga nang ayoko na mag-aral.
That you will miss your flight and have to
Salamat po
stay
ng
with me
madami.
another
Pwede ko
night.
mag-alay ng handa sa kanila.
It is brutal, why can't you see? It's brutal, where have you been? Cause we're far apart and my lonely heart finds it hard to get through the night. You pull me out of the dark and now it's light. You pull me out of the dark and now it's light. When we're out in the market and out on the streets, I've got a pocket full of problems and a pocket full of seeds, hoping something good might grow out of this mistletoe, and I won't have to erase your memory.
I like the way that our arguments stop when we fall asleep, and the way that your body feels when it's wrapped around me. And I'd like it if you made it to mine by Christmas Eve, so you can hold me.
And we'll watch Christmas TV. It is brutal, why can't you see? It's brutal, where have you been? Cause we're far apart and my lonely heart.
Galing ha? Mas 11.
21 days po. 21 days.
Sige. Happy birthday! Basahin mo naman yung para kay Eddie. Ako nagsulat niyan. Tignan mo kung sino nagsulat. Read aloud.
Nikil, ano? Like,
Kiki Wikiki. Ano? Kiki. Oh my God!
ano sabi niya?
Kiki. Kung ganun namin guys. Oo, sinulat ko pa naman. Heart. Buksan mo na. 50 Shades yan. Trilogy.
That is why I wrote this song to say thank you.
Taylor, ba't mo na yung kanta? Ayan po si Nikki kapag nababaliw siya.
Come on home, just come on home, just come on home, just come on home.
Bye!
Paalam. Yung paalam.
Ay, teka lang. Nalayo ako. Game.
Baka tumas yung mataas. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. Paalam! Oh, guys,